What's up YouTube, it's that boy Roddy Ren, and we are back with another video, another POV video that is kind of nervous for this one, I'll be honest. We are in the middle of a snowstorm and I live on the bottom of a hill. So, I don't know if I can even get out the garage. We're gonna try it though. We're gonna try it. If I can't get out the garage, I'm probably just gonna slip all the way back down, and if I do, I'm just gonna come back in here. That'd be the video. But if I can't get out the garage, I'm gonna see how far I can get, hopefully not get stuck. Lord willing, God willing, I do not get stuck. And if I do, I have insurance with the tow truck. I just gave y'all the code start with the valves closed, then I opened it. But other than that, let's get right into it. I'll see y'all when we get there. Guys, here we go. We're going up a hill with a Mustang. I'm getting barked at by a dog. I'm already getting stuck. I'm already stuck. My car's in limp mode or something. I'm getting the flashing traction control button. This was a bad idea. Okay, hold on. We're going somewhere. I still have traction control on. I don't know if I need to turn it off or not. Oh man, I'm spinning already. Okay. I'm in second gear. They probably wondering, what's this Mustang doing out here? I'm also wondering that. Okay, broke loose a little bit. Let's turn around. Hold on, let me see if I can. Nah, I might get stuck in the snow. Okay, we got loose a little bit. We got loose a little bit. Hold on. Hey. Yo, drift with it. I don't want to do too much because I don't know how to drift for real. Oh, they got the police. All right, let me calm down. What's over here? Let's turn left. Hopefully get through. Yep, got through. Ooh, are they stuck? They might be stuck, and if they're stuck, I'm gonna be stuck. Is that road they're going on? No, it's not. It's not plowed. No. Okay, they're definitely stuck over there. Let's continue to go straight. Snow truck. Okay, so he's doing that road. I can go on that road. Please don't turn on this way, because I need to go that way. Dude, I'm cooked. Honestly, I don't even think I'd be able to get out. Just smack the camera. I think I'm stuck, honestly. Yeah, dude, I'm definitely stuck. I don't got no choice but to try it. Forever. Okay, we're getting through. Hey. Okay, that's not as bad as I thought. But it's probably around that time to head home, because these roads are not as paved as I thought. Which these guys are doing a good job, don't get me wrong, but my car is not meant for this. I'm not even supposed to be out here at all. Little calm, little something, drift out, hit the corner. Y'all can't really hear the car, I'm sure. Nah, I'm gonna get back up. Instantly got hit by some ice. It's sleeting right now. It's not really snowing. Okay. Let's go back right, because we know that road's kind of done. We just came from that way. Nah, I wasn't spinning. I got scared. Look calm, little son. Look calm, little son. All right, let's head back to the crib. Let's hit the Tokyo drift to the crib. Hey. first gear. I feel like I'm gonna just stay in first and second gear. Ain't trying to do too much though. Let's go ahead and get back to the crib before I get stuck again. I don't know if I'm gonna put that first part in there because I got stuck in my apartment complex. Like I couldn't get out. A dude had to jump on the back of my car. Like he was, you know how like when they be doing when they be racing, they'll push the car side to side. He had to do that for me. Let's see if it's light change. Oh my gosh, so much ice. Okay, light did change. Just try not to spin too much. Okay, let's see. Let's go up here like this. Dodge this big pile. Hit this like that. I just fishtailing a little bit. Okay, looks like we're in the clear. Let's get loose a little bit. Let's see if we can get loose a little bit. Nah. I'm trying, but I'm scared. I don't want to get too loose and I go up in a pile of snow and I can't get out. Dang, it is coming down now. What sport mode look like? Hold on, I'm pinning track. This is probably a bad idea. Oh, instantly lost. Let me see. Swing it. Nah, hold on, I need a defroster. To be real, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I need to hit the gas more. Let's see. I think I'm cutting power. Oh, no, never mind, there we go. All right, can I get back over here? Ooh, ice getting a little thick. Dang, I can't even see no more. All right, we gotta go back to the crib. Gotta go back to the crib. Can't even see. Yep, back to the crib. I know when to call it quits. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like, hit the comment, subscribe. Also, I do have a Discord. The link is in the description if you want to join Discord and help build a community with other like-minded drivers or car people or just anybody who likes to just hang out. Hop in the Discord. I'm the only one and one other member. We're working on expanding and making an extra community. So, like I said, guys, if you guys just want to make a community, let me know. Discord is in the description. Till then, this is Rowdy Ren, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.